jackass. Spin out of control. I want to fucking die. Yeah, yeah, spin out of control! Spin out of control!
Holy shit!
Okay guys, so another car went into the VFW hall. We are going to drive by and look at it really quick. It's right in front of our house now. Look at that. What the F?
Papa lost. Yeah, boy. Стойте, блядь.
Я постой, я не бегаю.
Something's going down. I smell it. I smell it. Y'all see what's happening, right? They've been following this white pickup truck for a while. Something's happening. Dude's already, trying to take off, I think. Once the RPMs start getting high, y'all, that's when you know. Oh yeah, they're after this white truck up here, y'all. Let's catch up to them. 100% they're after this dude. 1000%. Let me not get in their way though. He's gonna run. He's gonna run for sure. Oh, it's a chick. It's a fucking girl. Oh no, it's not. It's a dude. Look at all these cars, bro. Look at all these cars following them. Look at all these cars following them. Oh look, they're spiking the tires. Y'all seen that, right? They're spiking the tires. Look, they're about to hop out on him, y'all. Oh. Just spiked. Oh, they're chasing him now. They're chasing him. Oh shit, y'all, we're in a pursuit, y'all. Oh, he came back around. Holy shit. Damn, he's smashing, y'all. This fool is smashing. Bro hopped out of the truck right here. Yep, this is truck. They caught him. He ended up hopping out.
Napa, reserve at Napa. Back in the right lane of travel. Get a celebration point. Pretty tall. It's a short box truck. If it becomes a danger, y'all need to stop the vehicle fitted. Definitely danger. I'm thinking get this vehicle off the road. Corey, where you at now? R393, R393. 75 Catch, I get the 6 out in front of Madison Coast. I can go update, please. Where eastbound? Or past conversion eastbound. When I'll call from ASO eastbound. 4,000 block eastbound speeds are about 60 mile an hour. ASO units 2300 Archer. Northbound into the new Butler Plaza. Northbound 37 Boulevard.
Okay, really locked in. That's the perfect opportunity in that plaza.
Hey, pulling into the Best Buy. On Archer Road, I am now the lead vehicle. Oh, signal 4 into a ASO K9, still eastbound, place P. Hey, you good? You can get here in the alley, I'm gonna check on this red car. Trying to get up to a pit. Signal 4, in the wrong lane of traffic. Piccadilly, wrong lane of travel, past Piccadilly. Continuing on. Alright, we're still continuing northbound, passing the Metro Diner.
And get the city to help us, guys. We need to stop this now.
Stand by. Okay, so third party. Attempted pit, we are going through the Metro Diner Plaza. We're on 34, keep her off. Everybody hold the traffic for a second, we call it. We're through the parking lot, we're about to come out at 34th Street. Attempted pit, again, coming back out on the 34th Street. Going back southbound on 34th.